Hi, I'm recording this video to show you how you can make outgoing calls from Zoho via Webhook. Probably you have a use case where you want to make uh, you want to send out a recorded message to your customers when they reach a certain stage, or you want to welcome them. So those kind of use cases, or depending on certain field changes, you want to notify them via call. How you can make those calls from Zoho automations. I'm just going to show you. So we go to workflows. So our use case will be simple. What we're going to do is we're going to figure out when a lead is there with us, we want to welcome them. Welcome call. So when a lead is created, what we are going to do is do a welcome call. So here we need a webhook commissioner call. So just create configure this webhook. So here what need to fill this out. So we are going to use CRM messaging this documentation to make voice calls by API. So we will just fill it out. So before you use this, you need to have your account on CRM messaging. So you can subscribe to CRM messaging, create account. After creating account, you can get your developer key from developer section. This is your API key. Now we'll use the documentation. So this is a simple API call. What we'll do is copy so we need to call this like this. Okay, we copy this URL, put it over here. Put it over here. You have to notify in a post request. This will be general. In your header, you can put some custom parameters like it says in the header we have to put authorization, and bearer with your token. My token, you can get it from here. Copy your token and put it over here. So I'm not putting. So okay, so we'll just put the rest of the parameters. So what we have is this data input, norm data. Okay, so we have put this raw data as JSON. You can paste it over here, your entire payload, which looks like this for me. Just put it over here. So the toNumber, we'll just put merge field hash. Let's use mobile field on the lead record. Mobile. And from, we'll just keep it same. This is a welcome call. I'll just put text and rest and will keep same. And I'm going to put the bearer token, save it. Okay, I just save this over here and you can save it. Now I'll just create a lead and test it out. My mobile number, not my number. Just save this lead. Now I'll wait for the call on my phone. Okay, I received the call. Probably you can hear.
Hello, this is the welcome call from CRM.
Okay, so that's how you can do this. Hope if you have any questions, just reach out to me on care@crmmessaging.cloud. Have a good day.